Hello, everyone. Here is YiLu Proxy's channel. The video shows how to integrate YiLu Proxy with VMMask Antidetect browser. Let's set up some YiLu Proxy settings firstly. You can set them like the shown settings. Don't forget to save. Then double-click a static IP to connect. Next, right-click an IP and select a free proxy port. Check all proxy ports information on port forward list. Then double-click the VMMask application icon on the desktop to run it. On VMMask, create a new browser profile, enter a name, select the operating system, browser, user agent. Then add a proxy IP. Select SOX5 proxy. Enter IP address 127.0.0.1, port 1080. Then test proxy connection. Then save the browser profile. Next, run it. Here you can check the browser environment's IP address, which is that IP has connected in YiLu Proxy. Then try multi-port forward. Change the proxy port to 5500. Test connection. Close the before browser window. Run it again. Refresh the web page. The IP address has changed to the IP assigned to proxy port 5500. Then create a new profile and connect the proxy port 5501. Run it. The IP address is the IP assigned to proxy port 5501. The two browsers has different proxy IPs. Then try to connect a rotating IP. Create a new profile again. Select a country, state, and city, then refresh. You can set the number of refreshing IPs. Then right-click an IP and copy IP information. Enter IP information using right format. Test proxy connection. Run the browser profile. You can see the IP's country is Canada. Right-click the IP and select Detect IP. You can get the real connected IP, which is the same as the shown on the web page. YiLu Proxy rotating IPs also support HTTP protocol. Change the proxy type to HTTP, and enter other proxy information. Then run it again. Refresh the web page. The IP changes, but it's also a Canadian IP. The video about integrating YiLu Proxy with VMMask Antidetect browser is subscribing.